Audio Jungle.
It was 8 in the morning, 8 a.m. Eastern Standard. I had come from a meeting with the builder inside the building. I was walking to my car. Had taken off my hat and switched to my clothes, get in the car, started the car. Car comes moderately fast. I mean, with purpose, driving up to the side of my car to block me in, rolls down the window, gives me the motion, roll your window down. I'm like, holy cow, this looks serious. So I roll the window down. He's like, hey, aren't you the guy from the newspaper? I was like, yeah, I was in the newspaper. And he said, hey, man, I've got a bunch of friends that are veterans. My family were veterans in the military. I think it's great that you served. I'm grateful you did. When is this thing open? We can't wait to get in here and start, being a part of this in the community and using our blankets and comforters and our laundry here and start to operate with you and be part of the team. I was blown away. He said, what size washers do you have? What? Tell me about ozone. You want to know about ozone because we have ozone? What's the kid zone like? What's that going to look like? We've got kids. Just fascinating. Then his wife came out of the Dollar General. She had questions. She got in the car and they said thanks. And I thanked them. And I told them when we were opening and they follow me on Facebook. And yeah, it's really exciting.
I don't know if you could have predicted this in your life, Tim, when you were coming up as a young kid, but you are famous in your community for the laundromat that you were building.
I actually am. It's kind of amazing out of all the things I've done in life, and I'm grateful for the opportunity. God uses everyone in different ways, and I've been on a journey in life to get prepared for this moment, and I feel great about trying to use my skills to help the community. And if that's through a laundromat, then I'm grateful for it.
Yeah. So